Welcome to AWS IAM, a service that makes sure access to cloud resources isn't like a Wild West free-for-all. IAM lets us assign roles, control permissions, and keep security tight. Imagine a well-organized party. Only invited guests get in and everyone has a clear role. Without IAM, it'd be a chaotic mess. So mastering IAM is key to keeping cloud access secure and streamlined. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Imagine sending a secret note without sealing it. Risky, right? Server certificates act like a secure envelope for online communication. They prove a website's identity, keep data encrypted, and prevent sneaky cybervillains from intercepting sensitive info. Without them, your login details would be floating in cyberspace like lost luggage. Definitely not ideal. Managing server certificates is like keeping track of your passport. Ignore it, and you might find yourself stranded. Expired certificates can break services and create security loopholes. Without proper renewal and tracking, your website could turn into a not secure warning zone. Cue panic mode. So, good certificate management keeps services running smoothly and security top-notch. AWS IAM isn't just for managing users. It's also got server certificates covered. Think of IAM as the ultimate bouncer, making sure only authorized people handle these sensitive credentials. It lets you upload, delete, and control access with precision. A well-managed IAM setup means certificates are in safe hands, ensuring encryption stays solid. Let's talk housekeeping. Keeping old certificates is like hoarding expired milk. Unused or outdated certificates clutter up IAM and introduce security risks. Deleting them ensures no one accidentally uses an expired certificate and helps maintain a clean, secure environment. So when a certificate outlives its usefulness, it's best to let it go. Before hitting delete, hold your horses. A few checks are crucial. Make sure the certificate isn't tied to any active services, confirm you have the right permissions, and always back up important certificates. Think of it like moving out. You wouldn't toss everything in the trash without checking first. Deleting certificates via AWS CLI is straightforward, but not something you do on a whim. With the right command, IAM clears out outdated certificates efficiently. Just remember, double-check the certificate name and your permissions before running the command, or you might end up deleting something important. Precision is key. Deleting a certificate isn't just clicking a button. It requires precision. You'll need the exact certificate name, the right IAM permissions, and a thorough check for dependencies. It's like decluttering. Don't toss something until you're sure it won't break something else. Before deleting a certificate, brace yourself. Services might stop, encrypted connections could break, and accidentally removing an active certificate might cause chaos. It's a high-stakes move, so always verify dependencies and have a recovery plan ready. Think of it like pulling the wrong plug. No one wants an unintended blackout. Before hitting that delete button, let's take a step back. Always check if the certificate is linked to any services. Otherwise, things might break in unexpected ways. Backup. That's your safety net. Verify the expiration date. You don't want to delete something that's still in use. Lastly, keep your team informed, because nothing says chaos like an unexpected deletion. Deleting isn't always the best choice. Renewal can save you time and effort. If security is the issue, revoke the certificate instead. Ownership transfer is a great option if someone else needs it. And don't forget, you might need that certificate later, so keeping it archived could be a smart move. AWS Certificate Manager, your best friend for hassle-free certificate handling. It takes care of renewals automatically, so no more scrambling at the last minute. Enhanced security. Absolutely. Plus, it works for various services, making your life easier. Why do the heavy lifting when AWS can do it for you? Troubleshooting can feel like detective work. First, check for misconfigurations. They sneak up on you. Domain validation failures. Double-check DNS settings. If your certificate expired, act fast before it disrupts services. And always verify your certificate authority settings to ensure everything is up to standard. Security is non-negotiable. Keep those private keys safe. No one wants a data breach. Opt for strong encryption because weak standards are like leaving your front door unlocked. Monitor expiration dates so there's no lapse and limit certificate access. Less exposure means fewer risks. All right, we've covered a lot. Remember to apply these best practices. Keep yourself informed about the latest policies, and don't hesitate to seek help if needed. Managing certificates might seem technical, but with the right approach, it's smooth sailing. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.